Hi, I'm Sean Wiley from Revolution Machine Tools. Today we're featuring the B-Smart 0344. It's a 3-foot bed, 44-ton machine. What's unique about this machine is it's a knee gap foot pedal. So you can either work from the standing position or the sitting position, which is very ergonomic, and you get a lot more production out of a resident employee who's just relaxed, bending parts all day. This particular machine comes with XR back gauge. We can get the same size up to 5/6 axis. It comes with the Fizzler laser protection. Roller tooling is standard, so is the laser. This particular brake has a 1/2, 3/4, 1 and 2 inch 4-way die, as well as a roller hardened punch. Our control, we always feature Delum. This particular brake is a Delum 58T, T signifying touch. I'm not going to go into the control too much because we have several videos of all of our controls. If you go to YouTube, Revolution Machine Tools, you'll see our whole YouTube channel features every one of our controls in detail. I'd like to just show you from the sitting position, knee gap bending. You can sit here and work like this all day long. This particular machine has an X and R CNC back gauge. It also has manual Z fingers to move left and right. You can get up to 4-axis and 6-axis in our Genius series. It's just this particular machine is X and R, X being the back gauge, R up and down for height, material height.